Algeria inaugurates Algeria's largest mosque in Africa. The Algerian capital, Algeria, will be able to accommodate 120,000 people at a time at a cost of more than 1.5 billion. The mosque was inaugurated on the occasion of the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. According to the Chinese company overseeing the construction of the mosque, it is the largest mosque in Africa. It is located in the capital of the Muslim-majority country of Algeria in North Africa and was inaugurated by the country's Prime Minister Abdelaziz Bouteflika. Construction of the mosque began in 2012 under President Abdelaziz Bouteflika and was completed a year and a half ago. The mosque is built in a modern style and is spread over an area of about 70 acres. According to the Chinese construction company, it is the largest mosque in Saudi Arabia after the two holy mosques of Mecca and Medina, Masjid al-Haram and Masjid al-Nabawi. The unique thing about Algerian mosque is that its minaret is 267 meters high and can be seen from all sides of the capital. The minaret has 43 floors and access to each floor is via elevator. The interior of the Algerian mosque is made of blue marble and special wood. There are Arabic calligraphy paintings on the walls. The special floral design on its carpets reflects the country's cultural heritage. It has a total of 12 buildings, including a library of 1 million books, a lecture hall, a museum of Islamic history and art, a research center, a garden and a water fountain. Hamad Al-Tabi, the publishing director of the Sufi Library in Algeria, says the Algerian complex can be seen as a symbol of the country's past against the French colonial system and to counter the plan to implement Christianity. Algeria inaugurates Algeria's largest mosque